بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Jazakallah. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please rise for the national anthem of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Distinguished guests, respected colleagues, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It is my privilege to welcome you all to this important and forward-looking event, the signing ceremony of the Capital Market Development Fund. At the very outset, I'd like to extend a particularly warm and respectful welcome to our chief guest, the Honorable Senator Mohammad Aurangzeb, Federal Minister for Finance and Revenue, and in a language, sir, that is perhaps as familiar to you as Urdu or English, and I hope I get this right, Hartelijk welkom, geachte heer. Sir, we are deeply, deeply honored by your presence here today. I also warmly welcome the distinguished leadership of our capital market institutions, Pakistan Stock Exchange, Central Depository Company, National Clearing Company, and Pakistan Mercantile Exchange, represented by the Honorable Mr. Farooq Sabzwari. Welcome home, sir. Mr. Badiuddin Akbar, Mr. Naveed Qazi, and Mr. Khurram Zafar, respectively, along with Mr. Mubashir Sadiq, representing IFMP, attending dignitaries, senior officials of SCP, and members of the media whose collective presence reflects the national importance of this event. And now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome, it is my honor and privilege to invite the Chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, Dr. Kabir Ahmed Sidhu. If you please, sir.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Honorable Senator, Honorable Federal Minister of Finance, Senator Mohammad Aurangzeb Saab, distinguished CEOs and Chairman of Board of Director of Capital Market Institutions, respected commissioners, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to the signing ceremony of Capital Market Development Fund. Pakistan's capital market is one of the best performing markets in the region and continues to demonstrate strong resilience despite global and domestic challenges. On 23rd of January, the KSE market index hit 190,000 points. As of today, the market stands at 165,000 points. Over the past 5 years, investor base has grown from 240,000 points to 520,000 points. It is still only 0.2% of the population of Pakistan. In comparison, India has 6%, Bangladesh has 1%, Saudi Arabia has 13%. Our demographic, however, tells a very compelling story. 47% of the population is between the ages of 18 to 30 years of age. We have minimal participation from Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Jammu Kashmir, and overseas Pakistanis. SCCP has identified a number of issues, bottlenecks, which we need to address in order to expand the investor base. Our target over the next couple of years is 2.5 million investors. There are some action that needs to be done on our part. In the last couple of months, we have streamlined onboarding through simplified KYC and AML compliance checks. At the same time, we've realized that there's serious financial literacy issue across the country. One of the reasons may have been that there have been fragmented efforts on all of our part. There's modest retail outreach. As a commission, we've also realized there's lack of knowledge of compliance, ethics, and regulation in the market. There's a lack of culture of continuous professional development. The IFMP courses that are being offered at the moment may be far too difficult, costly, something that we need to simplify, something that should be available on affordable prices. When I wanted to learn how to trade in my 20s, I was lucky enough to find affordable courses spanning over 2 days, 2 weeks, and 3 months at affordable price. We also believe that IFMP should be transformed into a digital platform. In SCCP, we have realized that all of this is not going to be possible with the way we are currently going. It's going to require a complete paradigm shift. We'll have to join hands and we'll have to make a concerted effort to expand our investor base. As I mentioned earlier, our target is 2.5 million investors in the next couple of months, couple of years. This realization has led to formation of CMDF, a Capital Market Development Fund. Capital Development Market Fund will function under the purview of Institute of Financial Market. The CMIs will be contributing about 30 million as a startup seed capital, which in total comes up to 120 million, and thereafter annual contribution of 1%. The fund will be governed under independent steering committee headed by SCCP. We'll be making sure that affordable courses are available which are targeted at the basic, intermediate, and advanced level across the country. These courses are going to be available, offered in major cities of the country. The success of the fund, CMDF fund, will not be judged by the size of the fund, but more tangible outcomes. And one of the outcomes we are hoping to target is 2.5 million investors in the next couple of years. CMDF is an investment in the future of Pakistan. With that, I conclude. I'm very grateful for all of you to join us here and grace this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful remarks and for clearly articulating the vision behind this important initiative. It is my pleasure now to introduce Dr. Mubashir Sadiq, Chief Executive Officer of the Institute of Financial Markets of Pakistan. Dr. Sadiq holds a PhD from University Ultara, Malaysia, and brings extensive experience across academia, public policy, and institutional leadership. He has held senior roles in leading educational institutions, contributed to initiatives such as Ignite, and developed the Outreach Scholarship Program to expand access to higher education. He's been serving as CEO of IFMP for the past 6 years. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Sadiq.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Senator Mohammad Aurangzeb Sahib, Federal Minister for Finance and Revenue. Dr. Kabir Ahmed Sidhu, Chairman, Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Honorable Commissioners, Chairman of all CMIs, Chairman of IFMP, CS of Capital Market Infrastructure Institutions, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today marks a milestone in the history of Pakistan's capital market. For the first time, all capital market infrastructure institutions are coming together under a single purpose-built fund with one mission: to make every Pakistani a confident and informed participant in the capital market. Today, we formalize that commitment. Only around 500,000 individuals out of 250 million citizens participate in our stock market, while trillions in savings potential remain untapped. The reasons are clear: limited financial literacy and lower retail participation. And until now, there has been no coordinated industry-wide mechanism to address this challenge at scale. CMDF, a dedicated, self-sustaining fund designed to bridge this gap permanently. This initiative reflects the vision of the SECP to create a financially aware, inclusive, and empowered investor base, supported by a structured and sustainable institutional framework. CMDF is built on 4 strategic pillars. Firstly, enhancing financial literacy and investor awareness. Secondly, increasing retail participation. Thirdly, promoting financial inclusion, particularly among women, youth, and underserved communities. And fourthly, strengthening capacity building and market development. These pillars will work together as a system, each reinforcing the other. CMDF operates as a ring-fenced fund under IFMP, with seed capital of 30 million each, contributed by each of our CMI, followed by an ongoing contribution of 1% of their annual revenue. It is not an expense. It is an investment in expanding the market itself. It creates a virtuous cycle. Funding drives programs, programs bring investors, investors expand the market, a larger market increases the revenues of CMIs, higher revenues of CMIs lead to higher contribution back to CMDF. Under CMDF, we will deliver nationwide financial literacy programs, including structured micro-learning courses and the Capital Market Financial Literacy Program, designed to be simple, accessible, and scalable for millions of Pakistanis. Ladies and gentlemen, today is not just launch of a fund. It is a beginning of a unified, sustained effort to transform Pakistan's investment landscape. For the first time, the entire capital market ecosystem stands together with a shared commitment to the financial future of this nation. The signing is the beginning. The work starts now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for providing us the opportunity.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my profound and absolute honor to introduce our chief guest, the Honorable Senator Mohammad Aurangzeb, Federal Minister for Finance and Revenue. A distinguished financial leader with over 3 decades of international banking experience, he has held senior roles at leading global and national institutions, including Citibank, ABN AMRO, RBS, JP Morgan, and Habib Bank Limited. He's also served as the chairman of the Pakistan Banks Association, chairman of the Pakistan Business Council, and council member at the Institute of Bankers, Pakistan. With a bachelor's in economics and an MBA from the Ivy League institution Wharton School, he brings a strong global perspective and deep financial expertise. For those of you who might not be aware, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and the sitting president of the United States also went to Wharton. Since assuming office in March 2024, he has been steering Pakistan through a critical economic phase, focusing on macroeconomic stability, fiscal discipline, and renewed investor confidence. His leadership has also strengthened Pakistan's engagement with international financial institutions and investors. His vision strongly supports financial sector deepening and capital market development. And his continued backing has been instrumental in advancing key initiatives such as the Capital Development Fund. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the Honorable Senator Mohammad Aurangzeb, Federal Minister for Finance and Revenue, to address this distinguished gathering.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Sidhu, Chairman SECP, managing directors, PSX, CEOs of our market infrastructure companies, respective board members, distinguished delegates, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Before I get to the topic at hand, I just want to reinforce a message which I gave at the EU Business Conference last week. I'm not going to go into the details because I gave a very comprehensive presentation in terms of state of play with respect to our economy. But I do want to reinforce a message from that conference. Our leadership is at it. Their mediation efforts continue to move from strength to strength. And therefore, you have seen one positive development overnight. And therefore, हम सब दुआगो हैं कि ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है इसका जल्द से जल्द खात्मा हो. It's the right thing for the world, for our region, for our country. Having said that, hope is not a strategy. And therefore, we need to be laser focused on what it means in terms of the first order impact. और उसके बारे में मैंने पिछले हफ्ते भी बात की थी. So far, so good. अप्रैल के नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, मैंने मार्च के नंबर्स की बात की थी. तो उसमें we are very focused on our current account, our balance of payment discussion, our fiscal discussion at this point in time. And we, along with the governor of the central bank, we stand firm in terms of the targets that we have in the economy, whether it's our FX reserves or it's other commitments that we have made to international institutions for this fiscal year. As far as the second and third order impact is concerned, is a direct function of the duration and the intensity of the conflict. And therefore, उसमें भी हमने जो सिनारियो एनालिसिस है वो बिल्कुल हम कर रहे हैं. और इसमें जो इस वक्त NCMC, which is working, and they are working on the procurement, the logistics, the food security, everything that is going to be important to keep us moving in the right direction. And at the same time, as I said, on some of the macro situation and the macro discussion, we are very laser focused. And the fact that during this conflict, we have been able to tap international capital markets after a hiatus of 4 years shows the kind of trust and confidence that not only G2G discussion, but the international investors and institutional investors are showing in Pakistan. Now the topic at hand. वो मेरे पास एक लिखी हुई तकरीर है, लेकिन आपका वक्त बहुत कीमती है, तो I'm just going to focus on 3 or 4 things which I do think are very critical. पहली बात तो ये है कि जो कैपिटल मार्केट्स की डिस्कशन हुई है, डॉक्टर सिद्धू ने बात की है. Then the second part of it is equity versus the debt capital market. The third part of it is the role of the SCCP as a regulator. And then the fourth one, why all of us are together here, which is partnership. So I agree कि आज का ये जो तकरीब है, this is a very important step in the right direction. It's a milestone which actually shows our collective resolve. It's not about me chairing the Capital Market Development Council, but collective resolve to deepen, broaden, and modernize the capital markets in Pakistan. ये सिर्फ किताबी बातें नहीं हैं कि जो robust capital markets हैं, they are engines of sustainable growth. Whether it's in the context of mobilizing savings, channeling capital, enabling risk sharing, and even more importantly, accessing long-term financing, whether those are startups or infrastructure projects. देखिए ये मैं I would take it back into the discussion and the overview with respect to the conflict. Because 2020 hindsight is a wonderful thing. तो इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से पिछले 2 महीने में हमने क्या चीज़ें सीखी हैं जो हमें करना चाहिए था और अब इंशाल्लाह आगे करेंगे. 1, commercial reserves are not good enough. Any country has to build strategic reserves. Number 2, we are on our way, whether it's solar, whether it's wind, whether it's hydro, but we have to accelerate our journey towards renewables. And we will do every possible thing to make financing available to accelerate our journey towards renewables. And that's where capital markets again comes in. And the third thing I would say is indigenous. अपने आप पर rely करना सीखें. Yes, we have our bilateral partners, we have our multilateral partners, but ultimately, और इसका एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको ये देता हूँ कि 22 का जब फ्लड आया, it was a devastating flood. It affected one river and essentially one province or maybe part of the second province. And we had to go for international appeal right away. जिनीवा हम पहुँचे, pledges ली, उसमें से कुछ आया, कुछ नहीं आया. 25 flooding. Unfortunately, it was more intense than 22. 3 rivers, and almost the entire Pakistan got affected. और उसमें बड़ा उस वक्त था कि जी इंटरनेशनल अपील, क्यों इंटरनेशनल अपील पे जाएं? If we have the fiscal buffer available, if we have the resources available here in terms of rescue and relief, and then into reconstruction and rehabilitation, we don't need to rely on any other country or any other multilateral institution. That is the power that जब हम बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट की, जब हम बात करते हैं हमारी डिप्लोमेसी की, उसी में जब बात होती है कि जी national security is energy security and therefore economic security. That is the power of macroeconomic stability, ladies and gentlemen. जब हम बात करते हैं कि मैक्रो स्टेबिलिटी आ गई है, ग्रोथ क्यों नहीं आ रही, तो इसका क्या फ़ायदा है? दैट इज़ बेसिक हाइजीन. Whether it's foreign investors, local investors, or when we get into these exogenous shocks, that's where the fiscal buffers and the macro stability comes in. And inshallah, we are very focused. More and more and more, we are going to be focused on our indigenous capital raising, indigenous resourcing to fund what we need to do as part of national security. And therefore, the capital markets are going to play a very important role. देखिए, टाइमिंग इज़ क्रिटिकल. क्लाइमेट है, जब मैंने उसकी बात कर ली है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, डेमोग्राफिक फोर्सेस. द रियलिटी इज़ देयर आर टू मैनी प्रॉमिसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जो ट्रेडिशनल बैंक लेंडिंग की वजह से उसमें या इनसफिशेंसी है या उसकी सूटेबिलिटी नहीं है. एंड देयरफॉर वी नीड टू डाइवर्सिफाई अवे. व्हेन आई वाज टोल्ड कि मैंने कितने बैंक्स के लिए काम किया है, बट वी हैव टू डाइवर्सिफाई अवे फ्रॉम द कंसंट्रेशन दैट वी हैव ऑन द बैंकिंग सेक्टर, इंक्लूडिंग द गवर्नमेंट एंड इंक्लूडिंग द प्राइवेट सेक्टर. गवर्नमेंट का तो ये कहा जाता है कि वी आर क्राउडिंग आउट द प्राइवेट सेक्टर. सो देयरफॉर वी हैव टू गो into the sukuks and the capital markets and everything that we are trying to do. But for the private sector, I think that's also going to be very important. दूसरा जो मैंने पॉइंट कहा कि इक्विटी की बात की, डॉक्टर सिद्धू ने भी उसकी बात की, उसमें कोई शक की गुंजाइश नहीं है कि notwithstanding the volatility that we have seen, primarily because of the conflict over the last 4 to 6 weeks, because ये एक बड़ी uncertain situation है. There's risk off, there's risk on, and then within the same day there's risk off and risk on, depending on who tweets and who says what, etc. तो इसलिए उस volatility जो है वो अपनी जगह बरकरार है. लेकिन for me, you know, the underlying pillars and the fundamental factors which are coming through. So from what I understand on equity front, 2,20,000 से ज़्यादा investors have entered the market over the last 2 years. And these are led by youth, which is essentially Gen Z, tech and digital access. इसी तरह जो अप्रैल का नंबर है, मैंने बात की मैक्रो इंडिसेस पे कि रेमिटेंसेस कहाँ हैं, आरडीए फ्लोज कहाँ हैं, एटसेट्रा. बट अगर सिर्फ अप्रैल में आप देखें जहाँ वॉलेटिलिटी स्टॉक मार्केट की बहुत ज़्यादा रही है, तो अगेन फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट 24,000 new investors have entered the market in April. This is highest ever in any given month. So I think from the equity side, we are indeed moving in the right direction. On the debt capital market side, from my perspective, we've actually gone into a reverse gear. मैं 2000 इन्होंने बात की 2001 में जब मैं यहाँ एबन एमरो के साथ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में था, at that point in time, WABDA had gone into mini bonds, into the retail investor base. और उसके बाद ऐसा रिवर्स गियर लगा कि हमने DCM को वापस उठते देखा ही नहीं इस और उसमें obviously the banks played an important role, but this is something which we have to, because from my perspective this is an and discussion, this is not an and or discussion, and therefore the focus that we need to have on the corporate bond market and how we take it forward, और उसमें जो आपकी तरफ से regulations हैं, ease of doing business है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस की तरफ से अगर कोई टैक्सेशन रिलेटेड या FBR रिलेटेड एवेन्यूज़ हैं, वी हैव टू अगेन कलेक्टिवली फिगर आउट हाउ वी गेट दिस DCM going as we move forward. Now, जो अभी आपने बात की है, the promotion of the investor education, financial literacy, market participation, awareness campaigns, to me this is a very, very important building block. लेकिन इसमें मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त ये होगी कि आप इसको, आप 6 साल से हैं इस इदारे के साथ मुंसलिक, we have to now move towards Gen Z and move towards youth and what they need and what they figure out is the way forward in terms of the awareness campaigns, etc., right? Because अभी है जो हम पीवारा से हमने सीखा है, 40 million crypto users, right? And how we want to move forward in terms of use cases on the tokenization side, in terms of licenses of the exchanges, etc. But this is being led by Gen Z. This is being led by the youth of this country. Actually, the government was behind the curve. ये तो हम जब चेन एनालिसिस हुआ, हम 10वें नंबर पे थे, फिर 7वें नंबर पे आए, फिर पिछले साल जब हम तीसरे नंबर पे आए, तो then we figured out that we better do something on terms of the regulatory environment in this country, both from a defensive perspective and in terms of the business cases of the new economy. तो इसलिए मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त ये होगी कि जो भी आपने प्रोग्राम बनाना है, उसको आपने लेज़र फोकस करना है on the target segment that you, which is, I've just told you, the kind of people who are entering the markets. उस पे हमने फोकस रखना है, मेरे जैसे लोगों पे आपने फोकस नहीं रखना. We are past, we are passé. Yeah. Then the SECP role. तो आपका बहुत ही important किरदार है. You've just taken on as the chairman, Ali Fareed आप आए हैं, बाकी जो सारे commissioners इधर बैठे हैं. It's a very fine balancing act. We have to widen, we have to deepen the market base, हमने investor expansion करनी है. At the same time, it's a very important calibration, avoiding moral hazard, protecting investors, and ensuring fiscal prudence. लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें आप बैलेंस कर सकते हैं जितना आप सिंप्लीफाई करता जाए. जितना आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे उसी में, and this is people, process, technology, I've said it all along, whether it's the FBR transformation, whether it's the transformation you are going to go through, it starts with people. You cannot do without that, but process, और process हमारे हाथ में है. जो आप कर सकते हैं, रूल्स ऑफ बिजनेस आप ज़रूर कीजिए. जो आपको लेजिस्लेटिव एजेंडा चाहिए उसमें आप लॉ मिनिस्टर, माई सेल्फ, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जहाँ भी आपको लेजिस्लेटिव एजेंडा चाहिए आप हमारे पास लेकर आएँ, एंड इंशाल्लाह वी विल टेक इट टू द पार्लियामेंट एंड विल इंश्योर कि वी मेक ए गुड केस बिफोर द पार्लियामेंट कि why this is so critical for the country to move forward on the capital market side. The last thing, and then I'll just close जी कि देखें there's no single institution, there's no single person who can do it alone. And therefore, if we are going to deliver, and delivery is very simple, right? जब मैं digital की बात करता हूँ and the digital journey, उसमें कोई इतनी लंबी चौड़ी science नहीं है. Faster, cheaper, better. That's all we are talking about, right? The rest of it is the complications and the how part of it, all of that. तो इसी तरह आपका ये सारा जो launch आप कर रहे हैं, इसका मकसद ये है कि हम broaden, deepen करें अपनी markets को, long-term capital को mobilize करें, financing को unlock करें for businesses, whether it's infrastructure or sustainable projects, and this really plays a catalytic role, right? क्योंकि ये बड़ा important है. आपने भी बात की है जो पाकिस्तान and how we going to take it forward. The private sector has to lead this country, period. हमारा काम as government is very simply to provide the ecosystem which enables the private sector to lead the country. So इसी वजह से जितने हम 27-28 SOEs को हमने privatization commission मोहम्मद अली साहब उसको आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं और इंशाल्लाह on the back of PIA, और PIA मैं इसलिए जिक्र करता हूँ कि ये कितना capital available है इस मुल्क में, right? The PIA privatization gave us tailwinds for, and I find it, और इस महीने ये private hands को transition हो जाएगा, लेकिन couple of things which ticks the boxes and why it gives us the tailwinds. पहली बात तो ये है कि 1.2 billion की collective bids आई, right? One consortium was a notch lower than the winning consortium. 1.2 billion. That's what's available with the local investors. With the local investors. Yes, we want the FDI and we obviously want our foreign investors to come in. We would love to entertain them and whether it's IT, whether it's mining and minerals and other sectors. लेकिन इस मुल्क में, इस मुल्क के खुदादाद में इतनी resources available हैं कि 1.2 billion का capital, और अगर इसमें से एक consortium नहीं आया तो वो the $600 million capital is awaiting other opportunities. और अभी ये इस हफ्ते आपको पता चल जाएगा कैपिटल कमिटी ऑन प्राइवेटाइजेशन जो डार साहब के अंदर है, तो उसमें we will go through with the discourse, the first set of discourse and couple of other financial institutions. So I think that ये और जो public private partnership है वो भी अब privatization के हवाले कर दी गई है, right? It has been taken away from P3A, which is a regulator. It should not have been there in the first place, but देर आए दुरुस्त आए. तो ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जहाँ capital markets are going to become even more critical, right? जो अगर हमें पहले कोई ज़रूरत थी तो अब तो और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. तो ये जी आपका आज जो इनिशिएटिव है और ये पार्टनरशिप है, इसमें रेगुलेटर्स हैं, डेवलपमेंट पार्टनर्स हैं, बैंक्स हैं, प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, all the CEOs and the boards of the market infrastructure companies. So I wish you well, or not only I wish you well, through the Capital Market Development Council, I'll keep a very close tab on the progress that is being made. But it's a great pleasure to be here, and it's indeed a milestone in terms of what you're launching today. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful remarks and continued support toward strengthening Pakistan's financial markets. We know you're pressed for time, so we're going to move straight to the signing ceremony. This moment represents a shared commitment by our key institutions to work collectively toward a more robust and dynamic capital market ecosystem. May I request the distinguished representatives to please proceed for signing on this historic agreement. Mr. Senator, मुझे नहीं पता आपके पास कितना time है, लेकिन you had stressed very with a laser focus that we need to focus on Gen Z. The media department, SCCP, has developed a 2.5-minute ka Gana that you'll be tapping your heels, I promise you. तो वो production आपको 2 minute में दिखा सकते हैं. First, we've got to present you with a memento, of course.
This is not just a dream.
Just a picture.
ये एक अज़्म है, एक वादा है. To build, to rise, to lead Pakistan. We were born in a land of power and pride. From mountains high to oceans wide, ideas in our hearts, fire in our veins. We don't hold back, we break the chains. ये मिट्टी हमें पुकारती है, हर ख्वाब को हकीकत बनाना है. From small ideas to ventures bold, we shape the future, we take control. No more waiting, no more doubt. ये वक्त है आगे बढ़ने का, step out. Start it now, don't leave it to chance. Pakistan's future in our hands. We can do it, yes we can. Let's build the future of Pakistan. Startups rising, नई सोच के साथ. We move ahead, we lead the path. ये मुल्क हमारा, ये ख्वाब हमारा. Secure future, stronger, smarter. Stand forward, we lead the world. Tech labs to markets wide. Innovation is our pride. Entrepreneurs with fearless minds, changing the game, redefining times. Karobar taraqi naya zamana. From local dreams to global name, Pakistan will never be the same. Dream big, think bold, break the limits, take control. ये वक्त है अपनी पहचान बनाने का, अपनी दुनिया खुद से जाने का. We don't follow, we create, we don't wait, we innovate. We can do it, yes we can. A financially strong Pakistan, stable future, roshan kal. Together we rise, powerful. ये azam, ये himmat, ये iman. We are the strength of Pakistan. Hand in hand we take the lead. Pakistan forward, fulfilling every dream. Start today, build your future. Invest in your ideas. Believe in Pakistan. क्योंकि जब नौजवान आगे बढ़ते हैं, तो वो दुनिया को लीड करते हैं. Start today. Build your future.
Mr. Chairman, if you will, please.